Alright, so you think you know your Roku, right? There's a whole world of hidden settings you probably never knew existed. I'm going to show you exactly how to find them. Grab your Roku remote. To access the secret menu, press home 5 times, fast forward 3 times, rewind 2 times, like a cheat code. The screen will flash and boom! Welcome to the hidden menu. What can you do here? Check your Roku's Wi-Fi signal strength. Force a manual software update. Adjust your display. Adjust your audio. Don't mess with settings you don't understand. Some options can reset your Roku. Some can even brick your device. Always look up what a setting does before you change it. Want to dig even deeper? Press home 5 times. Up, right, down, left, up. Developer settings unlocked. Install private channels. Test new features. Next time your Roku's acting up, try these menus. Or if you want to get more out of your streaming device, give them a try. Explore smart. And don't be afraid to hit that home button if things look weird. Think you'll try it out? Drop your experience in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more hidden tech secrets.